Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, I know. I'll get into that within this video. So if you guys do want to achieve this soft glam look, please continue on watching this video. But before you do continue on, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notified every time I post a new video. And please follow me on my Instagram. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this look, then please keep on watching. I'm so excited for today's video because we're going to be doing soft glam, and I feel like that's everyone's vibe recently. So we're definitely going to just play with makeup and chit chat. I'm gonna pretty much try to update you guys on what I've been doing and life after college and stuff like that. And let's just get right into it. I'm gonna first moisturize my face using the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This right here is bomb. I am obsessed with this moisturizer. I've tried a lot of moisturizers from Clinique. I've tried Laneige. I've tried brands from, like, you know, the drugstore, more affordable moisturizers, but this one has been the only one that really moisturizes my face, and it doesn't feel so heavy on my skin. So if you're looking for a good moisturizer and you have combo skin like me, then this is a great moisturizer. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some eye cream. This is the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. This eye cream is just amazing on my under eye area. It keeps my under eye area very hydrated, and every time I always apply concealer, it doesn't matter what concealer it is, I always crease, and I always feel like it looks patchy if I don't apply a eye cream. So I like to make sure that I apply an eye cream, and as of right now, this is like my favorite one. For foundation, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my Morphe foundation. This is the F260. This has been my go-to recently. It's, I believe, $16 or $18. It ranges between those two. It's great. I feel like it compares to my MAC foundation, but a little bit heavier. But it definitely gives me that coverage as if I were to use my MAC one. I get really oily in my T-zone, so I love using the Smashbox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Primer. This primer has been saving my life because before that, I would always wonder why my nose area would get so oily and my forehead. And I never used to put like primers because truthfully, I stopped using them because I felt like it really wasn't doing anything. But once I saw that, I stopped using them, and then I started using this one. It definitely does help with my shine. I graduated college, I meant to say. I graduated college back in December, and definitely one of my most memorable moments of my life. I'll never forget the feeling of walking across that stage and just being extremely happy and proud of my accomplishment. I did graduate with my bachelor's degree in global business management. I do plan on using my degree and finding a job where I can manage, you know. Life after college has definitely been very different and a little stressful because now it's more of reality, and I don't go to school anymore, so I don't have anywhere to go but to go to work, because I do work, and I do miss school a lot. Like, as much as I used to like complain and stress about it, I do miss it a lot because I actually really enjoyed going to school, you know, being around other people that are going for the same degree, and I don't know, it was just extremely like motivating for me. And I do miss it a lot, like going to class and just being in a classroom environment. Oh my god, I cut my hair as well. Oh my god, I forgot to mention that. That should have been the first thing. I did cut my hair extremely short. It is a little bit longer now, but when I first cut it, it was like about to my shoulders. and I don't plan on ever letting my hair grow out. I extremely love my hair short. I just love it. It's just so easy to like work with, and I don't have to like worry about doing my hair as much. So I'm just blending out my concealer, and yeah, I love this concealer. You guys know this is like the #1 concealer in pretty much the whole world, I would say, because everyone knows about that freaking concealer. It's just so good. I'm just setting my under eyes with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I really want to find a new setting powder because this one kind of makes me look a little dry, and I don't like it. I don't really like that, but this is the only setting powder that doesn't give me flashback. That's why I use it so consistently. So what do you guys think? Like, I really want to know, what do you guys recommend? Like, what are your favorite setting powders? So now for eyebrows, I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 5. This right here is literally the best pencil I've ever used. Comparing it to the Anastasia pencil, I feel like it's much easier. I'm gonna go ahead and use the KABROW in the shade 5 just because you guys know I do love a thick brow, and I like that sharp kind of brow. Obviously not the like thick Instagram brows. So now moving on to the eyelids, I'm gonna go ahead and just use the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Island Ting. I'm gonna just use this as my crease shade and the only eyeshadow on my eyelid. That's why I thought this would just be easier to use, because you don't need a huge palette just to use one shade. To achieve this look, I'm gonna use a regular fluffy crease brush. This is by Morphe. This is the Morphe M15 crease brush right here, and then I'm gonna work my way into my crease. Once I've pretty much applied the bronzer on my eyelid, I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of my concealer, almost cutting my crease, but not really. Actually, I'm cutting my crease. So I'm gonna just set the concealer using this shade from the Desi and Katie Friendcation palette. It doesn't have to be this color specifically, but I know a lot of palettes, I'm sure you guys have a color like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it with a flat eyeshadow brush. Okay, once I have that shade on, I'm just gonna go ahead and go back into my bronzer and really blend out these edges or any like imperfections that I have on my eyelid. And like I said, this is the only shade that I use on my eyelid. So the more bronzer that you apply, let's say if you see how like this area just looks a little bit darker, it's because when I was applying it, I was just making sure that I got it all over my lid. But since I'm focusing only in one little area, I'm able to like build it up and deepen it up just a little bit more. Once I feel like my eyes are complete, I like to go ahead and use my eyeliner. This is the ColourPop eyeliner in Numero Uno. This right here is the best liquid felt tip liner. This right here is bomb. BombBombBomb.com. I actually forgot to answer some of your questions, so I'm just gonna answer a few right now at this moment. Let's see. Someone asks, what are you and your man's plans now that you're done with school? Well, I already answered my plans in the beginning, but Jason is actually still in school. He has 2 options that he can go into, but I rather not say, because you know that's my boyfriend's business, and I just like to keep it a little bit private until we know for a fact what he's doing. But he just know that he has 2 options or 2 plans or just 2 careers that he's looking into, and he's gonna make a decision once he finishes school in May. So I'm really excited about that. Someone else, like, what are you gonna be doing now that you have graduated? I answered that in the beginning. Someone asked, how are me how are you and Jason and any future plans or trips together? So me and Jason are great. This is our 6th year going into as a couple, so that's really exciting. We just came back from Puerto Rico not too long ago. Oh my god, I forgot to mention I went to Puerto Rico in January. That's another excuse me, that's another update. We're actually going to Canada in 2 weeks. If you guys want to see a vlog of that trip, please let me know. I got him that for Christmas and we're so excited. We're gonna go skiing. Yeah, a lot of people are asking me like what's next, and you know, after graduation. Graduating was definitely a huge topic in this video, and if you guys do want a college advice and how I succeeded and how I could help you guys succeed in your college career, please let me know, because I would love to do a video like that. I have a lot of tips and tricks and just things that I would tell anyone who's going into college. Don't mind the packaging, because I got these lashes for Christmas and I'm obsessed with them. They are the JLASH winter collection. I hope and pray that they still have these online so you guys can get your hands on these. I believe this whole pack was $7.99. So I'm gonna go with the Winter Kiss lashes, and these are just so perfect. So what I'm doing is just applying a little bit of bronzer and then some mascara. This is my favorite mascara. This is the Bad Girl Bang mascara by Benefit. Okay guys, so now let's move on to the face, because I feel like my face is just so plain right now and ugh. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC Studio Fix powder and just use a huge brush just to set this foundation and bring some color onto my face, because I just feel like I look extremely pale. I'm going to use some Fenty bronzer, duh. This right here is like my favorite bronzer. What's next? Blush, which is the, I love this blush so much. I was blessed with the KKW Mario collection for Christmas, because my mom is just the best person ever. She got me the whole KKW Mario collection, and I was really excited to get, you know, obviously the palette and the lip gloss and stuff, but this right here was definitely the reason why I really wanted it, was because of the blush, and I needed it. I needed the blush in my life, and also I loved the lipstick as well, but this right here was the #1 product that I really wanted. I am obsessed with this blush. You don't really need a lot, but me, I love blush, so I'm gonna go ham. So here we go. And I'm just using a BH Cosmetics brush. Ooh girl, look at this blush. I just love anything peachy. Like, oh my god, you guys want a peachy blush? Get this blush. I'm telling you, it's bomb. It's better than my Peaches blush by MAC. What's one word that describes your relationship? I would say fun. Me and my boyfriend are extremely fun. We like to have a good time, and yeah, we're amazing together. I love him so much. Let's answer one more. What's something you did in 2019 that you regret? I don't like to regret anything in life. Anything that I've chose to do or I did is for a reason. I believe everything happens for a reason, so if I chose something that didn't end well, it's for a reason. So what I'm trying to say is I don't regret anything. I don't like to say regrets, but the only thing that I would say that I wish that I tried more was uploading more videos. That's definitely one of my biggest goals here, or one of my biggest goals for this year, is uploading more and being more consistent and hitting that 100K goal. Okay guys, so moving on to lips, I'm gonna go ahead and use my KKW Mario collection. This is the lip liner in the shade Beauty Icon, and then I'm also gonna use their lipstick in He's a Mixer. Okay, so this is the final result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, this soft glam to be exact. I hope you guys are pretty much updated on where I've been and like what I plan on doing after college and pretty much where my mindset is at this moment. I'm really happy that I'm able to create this tutorial for you guys, especially since soft glam is so in right now, and I'm really happy that it is because I don't really do a lot of eyeshadow on a regular basis. I just like to go either do a soft glam or no eyeshadow at all and just lashes. So this right here is definitely something that I would wear on a daily basis. So yeah, I really hope that I will be uploading more this year. I told myself that this is one of my biggest goals, is to upload more and be consistent and just have a more personal relationship with you guys and just, you know, interact with you guys more. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and I love you guys so much, and please don't forget to subscribe. As always, I love you guys, and yeah, see you in my next video.